Hello, folks and students. Let's welcome back another important session. How do you find condition record changes by using program or transaction and its limitation in SAP ECC or S4 HANA? Let's try to find the topic today. So like the program name is RV16 AC HD. CHD means probably change, RV16A if you remember, or else VK12 or VK13. You need not remember this program. I can guide you how exactly it is. Okay, let's try to check SAP system quickly. I think you well aware of this. I'll just try to show you some example. For example, VK12 you go existing condition record. For example, PR00 you take and you have a certain key combinations. If you look at here, if you have a certain key combinations, probably like customer material, price list, it can be your own defined key combinations also. In this, if I say the material, okay, I have chosen the material because I have maintained certain condition record. Let's choose my sales organization and this is the distribution channel. So if you look at this, currently I have maintained these are the two materials and with sales organization distribution channel key combination. If I would like to know the condition record changes, so simply you go to the environment and changes per condition record. You can able to see this. If I click this, so based on each condition record, you can able to find it out. If I click here, so see certain times, see condition record has been changed, rate is changed from 00 to this here, or a condition unit is changed and the price unit is changed. Okay, like that. If you see this deletion indicator, one time it is got deleted, and VK12 is the transaction. You can look at this, you can able to find user what kind of transaction. This is at the time of creation. Okay, this is at the time of change, going to the existing condition record, and what he made it, he will make the changes per condition record. That's the limitation here. Okay, let me try to help you out. Okay, the program. So even you can able to use the program. If you look at this, this is the program. For example, if I execute this, it will go to this transaction. If I look at this, the change of documents for conditions, so it has a you can able to the scope is more. You can able to take in between the dates. You can able to take the certain time. Don't think that certain times like within suppose based on the time also condition record. If you take the retail industry, so they will announce for next minute or next 1 hour or else like in a day certain times the condition record can be modified multiple times, so that based on the time also you can able to find it out. Okay, and based on the user who changed and transaction code, agreement, sales deal and promotion and condition type also, and you can able to find by table and valid from valid to. Okay, so detailed display, only physical deleted records. If you want it, you can give it a try. So this much scope is not there per condition record. Okay, what exactly it is, change of the documents. Let me show you with an example. Okay, like I'm just taking PR000. Okay, probably 000, and if I come here, I'll take maybe MWST and K0005. If I taken this one, if I execute, so per condition record means per condition type, you can based on the record only you can able to find it out. That has a limitation earlier that I have already explained in one of my YouTube video also. If you look at here, if I execute, I can give the in between dates and additional the transaction also. Okay, so let's try to execute this first. Let's check the detailed display. Probably take few seconds because we didn't give anything. Maybe like it's the history. Okay, so now look at this. So some condition record PR00. Okay, so like you are getting all these details, and if you come here, so many are there. Okay, the rate when it is changed, and so condition record has been created and changed. If you look at this, all the changes you can able to find it out. Okay, so it's very fast. You can see this, these many changes you got it. Okay, So let's try to go below. So you can look at this MWST. Okay. So these are the MWST tax record changes. Probably I didn't find K0005, MWST, and PR000. I got it. Probably there is no active condition records maintained for K0005. This is how you can able to find it out. Here you can find the user T code, user or transaction, like based on the currency, validity period. You can able to try different permutation and combinations. Let's try to do this. Okay, I would like to give this time only VK12. Okay, so that means on change only what are the things created, so that created and display you will not get it. So now if you look at this, everywhere VK12 will be there. Okay, the size is reduced. Okay, so this is how you can able to find in a detailed way. Let me try to control with this user. Okay, so what this user has created, how many condition records. So in VK12, if you look at here, okay, user. So this MWST is changed and PR000 changed. Let's try to check one more thing. Let's don't give any condition types. Such a case, okay, you can able to get all condition types by this user for VK12. Okay. So what newly we got it? See, GWH1. This is created by me some time ago. GWHH. This is also created by me. And PR000. So like that, some condition type MWST, so that you can able to control it. It's more or less like the same thing. Okay. So what is the difference by program and transaction? So you can able to find the program. If you don't remember the program, you can able to find everything in VK12 only. I will show you. Okay. So let me show you 1 second. Okay, before moving ahead, if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe my channel. Currently, I'm holding 820 plus videos, 827 or something exactly. It is moving towards 900 in the future. So a lot of content is available, a lot of tips and a lot of hard work you can able to recognize in my channel. Please subscribe my channel to move further. I'm currently holding a Udemy 6,121 students and 6,000 plus students. You can able to say these are the two my prime courses for pricing, and specifically talking about this is my top pricing course, 2,000 plus students I have. And if you look at this, with that motivation, I have done one more course in advance. Both are competitive each other. Both are competitive each other. This I have specifically done an S4 HANA screens. You can able to give it right. Okay, these are the two important courses. If you're looking for SAP SD, this is one of my prime course, 112 hours with 422 lectures. Okay, and these are my what I would say two prime courses for functional consultants. One is for idoc training. If you really wanted to learn idocs with 5 scenarios I have explained, practicals, and this is getting mastered right functional specification. If you really wanted to get into the real time, never miss these two courses. Like that, including S4 HANA, around 20 plus courses available. I'm just providing those links below of this video. So let's get into the SAP now. Okay. So now once you execute, you are getting this one, right? Let's try to show me. I'm going to show you the same thing in a VK12. So if I come here, let's choose this. So let's execute this. So like changes, you can see change report. If you click the change report also, it will go to the same program. That's what I would like to, discuss about this one. So why you specifically discuss the program if I can able to access everything on what I would say in transaction itself. Dear friends, what is real time? If something is available ready and faster, Certain times your clients might not accept. He might ask the selection criteria might be salesperson or a certain partner, so that if you give this program to the ABAPer, if you give the certain table of your partner, or else he might be asking something else. Here you don't have company code, here you don't have sales organization, like that. You can able to, by using that program, if you give instructions, he will copy and he will create new G report for your customer. Okay, so that's why don't miss each and every pin what it is coming from my mouth. I worked in real time. I'm having more than 11 plus years of experience. So last year I used to tell that was the time my 10th milestone, and before that 9th milestone, 11th milestone, 11 years I have successfully finished on this SAP SD. So I don't have any pride on that, because I wanted to learn everything day to day basis, hour to hour, so that it's a never ending process. So thank you so much. Thanks for joining the session. If you really like this video, please like it. It is something helpful to me, uh, like in YouTube, and it is giving certain boost for me to do more further interesting videos like this. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Wishing you all the best. Jai Bharat. Love you all.